Welcome to my channel. Have you ever felt like life broke you into pieces and you still had to move forward with a smile? What if I tell you that your pain is not the end of your story, but the beginning of your strongest version? Why do some people rise after failure while others stay stuck forever? Is it talent, luck, or mindset? Today, you will discover a powerful story called Broken But Still Moving Forward. A story that will change how you see failure, pain, and success. Stay with me till the end because the last chapter will completely shift your thinking about life and struggle. Chapter 1. He was not always broken, but life changed everything in just a few moments. Ali is a 19-year-old student who once had big dreams in his eyes. He wanted to make his parents proud. He wanted to become successful and prove that he was capable of something great. But life does not always move the way we plan. One day, everything started falling apart. His exam results came, and they were worse than he ever imagined. The numbers on the paper felt like a silent attack on his confidence. He kept staring at the result, hoping it would change, but it did not. That moment became the first crack in his confidence. At home, he did not hear anger, but he felt disappointment in silence, and that silence hurt even more than words. Slowly, he started believing that maybe he was not smart enough, maybe he was not made for success. His friends continued moving forward, laughing, studying, planning their future, while he felt stuck in the same place. Every day felt heavier than the last. Even simple conversations started feeling difficult. He began avoiding people because he did not want to answer questions about his failure. At night, he would sit alone, thinking about his future, but every thought ended in confusion and fear. He started asking himself a painful question. What if I am not good enough for anything? That thought repeated in his mind again and again until it almost became a belief. But deep inside, something small was still alive. A tiny feeling that he could not explain. A feeling that said, this is not the end, even when everything outside looked like an ending. And that night, sitting alone in silence, Ali did not know it yet, but this was the moment where his real journey was about to begin. Chapter 2. Ali thought that time would heal everything, but instead, every new day made him feel even more stuck inside his own mind. After his failure, he slowly started pulling himself away from everyone. He stopped joining friends, he stopped enjoying small things, and even studying felt like a heavy burden on his chest. It was not that he didn't want to move forward, it was that he no longer believed he could. In his mind, a silent war was going on every single day. One thought would say, try again, maybe you can fix it. And another thought would immediately crush it by saying, you already failed once, you will fail again. This constant battle made him tired from inside. He started sleeping late at night, not because he was busy, but because he was lost in thoughts that had no solution. One evening, he was sitting alone in a small park near his house, watching other students pass by with books and dreams in their hands. That moment hit him deeply. He felt like life was moving for everyone except him. For the first time, he whispered to himself, maybe I am not made for success. But right at that moment, something unexpected happened. An old man sitting nearby noticed his silence. The man did not ask about his marks or his problems. He simply said, you look like someone who stopped trying too early. Those words stayed in Ali's mind like a strange echo. That night, Ali was just afraid to start again. For the first time after many days, a small confusion replaced his hopelessness. He did not feel motivated yet, but he also did not fully give up. Somewhere deep inside, a small crack of curiosity opened in his broken thoughts, and that crack was enough to make him think differently about his life. Chapter 3. That small sentence from the old man stayed in Ali's mind like a loop he could not stop. You look like someone who stopped trying too early. He kept repeating it in silence, again and again, as if his brain was trying to understand something deeper than words. The next morning felt different, not because his problems were gone, but because his thinking had slightly shifted. For the first time in many days, he did not immediately think about giving up. Instead, a very small thought entered his mind. What if I try again? Just a little. It was not confidence. It was not motivation. It was just a tiny curiosity. Ali decided to take a very small step. He opened his old books, but instead of studying for hours like before, he studied for just 20 minutes. It felt strange. His mind kept distracting him. He failed to concentrate properly, but he did not stop completely either. That was new. Over the next few days, he repeated the same small effort. Some days he studied, some days he failed, but he never fully quit again. One afternoon, his school teacher noticed him sitting alone after class and asked him why he looked so lost lately. Instead of judging him, the teacher sat beside him and said calmly, "You don't need to be perfect. You just need consistency." That sentence became another turning point in his journey. The teacher started guiding him slowly, not with pressure, but with simple daily tasks. Ali finally had someone who did not criticize his failure but understood his struggle. This became his first real support system. Even though he still felt broken inside, something inside him was now slightly stable. For the first time, he was not trying to become perfect again. He was just trying to continue. And in that small continuation, his real transformation quietly began. Chapter 4. Just when Ali started to feel that things were slowly getting better, life tested him again in a way he did not expect. After a few weeks of small progress, he believed he was finally moving forward. He was studying a little regularly. He was trying to stay focused, and for the first time, his mind felt slightly less heavy. But success does not come in a straight line, and Ali was about to learn that in the hardest way. One day, a difficult test was announced at school, and Ali prepared for it with all his effort. He stayed up late, revised everything he could, and went into the exam hall with a small hope in his heart. But when the result came, everything collapsed again. He failed once more. This time, the pain felt even stronger than before because now he had started believing in progress. That belief broke in seconds. He felt like all his hard work had been useless. On that day, he did not talk to anyone. He went straight home, locked his room, and sat in silence for hours. His mind started repeating the same thoughts again. You are not good enough. You will never change. Slowly, he began to feel like he was back at the beginning. Even the old motivation felt fake now. That night, he almost decided to quit completely. But then, his teacher called him. Not to scold him, not to judge him, but just to say one thing. Failure does not mean you are going backward. It means you are still in the process. That sentence created a strange pause in his mind. He realized something important. Maybe failure was not a sign to stop, but a sign that he was actually trying. Still broken, still confused, but now deeply thinking, Ali looked at himself in the mirror and asked a new question for the first time. What if this failure is not the end, but part of my growth? Chapter 5. After that painful failure, something inside Ali quietly changed. He did not become suddenly strong, and he did not feel fully confident either, but he stopped seeing failure as a final answer. For a few days, he stayed silent and avoided everything again, but this time the silence was different. It was not giving up silence, it was thinking silence. He kept replaying everything in his mind, his mistakes, his effort, his teacher's words, and the old man's sentence. Slowly, one truth started forming in his mind. Maybe the problem was not that he was failing, maybe the problem was that he was stopping every time he failed. That realization hit him deeply. One morning, instead of staying in bed like before, He got up early and sat with his books again. It felt difficult, but he did it anyway. He did not study for hours, but he studied with focus for a short time. Then he repeated it the next day. And the next day, something small but powerful started growing inside him: discipline. Not motivation, not excitement, but simple daily discipline. His teacher noticed this change and encouraged him, saying, "Now you are learning how to win slowly." Ali started improving step by step. He still had bad days, but he did not allow one bad day to destroy everything anymore. Over time, his understanding became better, his focus became stronger, and his fear started reducing little by little. One day, he took another test, not with fear this time, but with preparation and calmness. When the result came, he did not fail like before. He passed. It was not a perfect score, but for Ali, it felt like victory after a long war. For the first time, he smiled not because everything was perfect, but because he finally proved to himself that progress is possible even after being broken. Chapter 6. Ali's life was no longer the same, but he was also not the same person who once sat alone feeling completely broken. He still had scars from his past failures, and he still had moments of doubt, but now those moments did not control him like before. He had learned something powerful through pain, patience, and repeated struggle. He had learned how to keep moving forward even when he did not feel strong. Slowly, his confidence started building in a quiet but real way. He was no longer chasing perfection, he was chasing progress. Every small win now felt meaningful, every effort felt valuable, and every mistake felt like a lesson instead of a defeat. His teacher often said, "You are not the same student anymore," and Ali finally believed it too. One day, he was asked to speak in front of his class about his journey. The old fear tried to return, but this time, he did not run away. He stood up, took a deep breath, and started speaking. His voice was not perfect, but it was steady. As he spoke, he shared his failures, his doubts, his nights of confusion, and his slow journey back to confidence. The class listened silently, and for the first time, Ali did not feel judged, he felt understood. When he finished, there was a moment of silence, and then applause filled the room. But the biggest change was not in the audience, it was inside him. He realized that being broken was never the end of his story. It was the beginning of his strength. And now, standing there, he finally understood the truth. You do not need to be perfect to rise, you only need to refuse to stop. If this story touched your heart even a little, don't ignore it. Subscribe to this channel for more powerful English learning and motivational stories. Like this video if you believe broken people can still become strong. Comment, "I will never give up," if you are ready to change your life starting today. Remember this: you may be broken, but you are still moving forward, and that is enough to win your life.